Hello friends, today you are going to learn the word problem from exercise 2.3. So what is question number 3? So question number 3 is the cost of 4 pencils, 3 pens and 2 erasers is rupees 60 and the cost of 2 pencils, 4 pens and 6 erasers is rupees 19, whereas the cost of 6 pencils, 2 pens and 3 erasers is rupees 70. Find the cost of each item by using matrices. Now let the cost of one pencil be rupees X, one pen be rupees Y and one eraser be rupees Z. Okay, so by the given condition, therefore by the given conditions, now we will make the linear equations. So in first condition, 4 pencils, 3 pens and 2 erasers is rupees 60. So 4 pencils means 4x plus 3 pens 3y plus 2z is equal to 60. This way we get equation number 1. Then the cost of 2 pencils, 2x plus 4 pens, 4y plus 6 erasers, 6z is equal to 90. Equation number 2. Then cost of 6 pencils means 6x plus 2 pens, 2y plus 3 erasers, 3z is equal to 70. Equation number 3. Now what is our first step? We have to solve these equations by inversion method or reduction method, but I am going to use reduction method and that is very easy. So in reduction method, what is the first step? So first step is make the matrix of these coefficients of the equations. So first matrix is the coefficient matrix. So coefficients are 4, 3 and 2, 4, 3 and 2. Second coefficient 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6 and third 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3. So this is the coefficient matrix into variables. Which are the variables? X, Y and Z is equal to constant matrix, that is 60, 90 and 70. In reduction method, next step is what we do? We make this matrix A in the upper triangular matrix, and for that we make here and here and here. In these 3 places we make the zeros. So what we do to make the zeros here? What we do? We multiply by row 1 by 2 and row 2 by 4 and then we get here 0. But another easy method is there, so I will teach you that method. So if you make here 1 in this first element, if you make here 1, then you will get very easy to solve this problem. So how to get 1 here? See, in the second row, here is 2, 4 and 6. If you divide by the second row by 2, so you will get here 1. Then interchange row 1 and row 2, you will get here 1. So I will use this method. Okay. So what is the what should we do? Divide by the second row by 2. So R2 changes R2 into 1 upon 2. So first row as it is 4, 3, 2 and then divide the elements of second row by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. third row as it is 6, 2 and 3 into variable matrix is equal to 60, and second row is divided by 2, so 90 divided by 2 is 45 and 70. Okay, so now interchange row 1 and row 2. So therefore R1 interchange R2, R1 interchange R2. Therefore, so I will write second row in the first row 1, 2, 3, and first row in the second row 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, and 6, 2, 3 as it is. X, Y, Z, and here 45, 60 interchanging first row and second row, 70 as it is. Now here is 4 and we have to make here 0, so multiply this first row by 4 and subtract R2 and R1. So R2 changes R2 minus 4 R1, and R3 changes R3 minus, here is 6, so you will have to multiply by 6 to the R1, 6 R1. So what we get here 1, 2, 3 as it is, and then R2 minus 4 R1, so 4 here is 4 minus 4 1 the 4, 4 minus 4 here is 0, then next 3 minus 4 into R1 means 2, 4 to the 8, 3 minus 8 it is minus 5. Next is 2 minus 4 3s are 12, 2 minus 12 it is minus 10. Next is R3 changes R3 minus 6 R1, so R3 6, so here 6 minus 6 1 is 6, 6 minus 6 0, then 2 minus, this minus is here, 6 into 2 12, 2 minus 12 that is minus 10 is here, then 3 this minus 6 3s are 18, so 3 minus 18 here is minus 15, then X Y Z is equal to 45 as it is, then R2 minus 4 R1, here is 60 minus 4 into 45, 45 into 4, 4 5s are 20, carry over 2, 4 4s are 16, 17 18 180, so here 60 minus 180 that is minus 120, then here 70 minus this minus sign 6 into 45, 45 into 6, 6 5s are 30, 6 4s are 24 plus 3, 27 270. So 70 minus 270 minus 200. Okay. Next is here should be 0. So R3 changes R3 minus, you will have to multiply by 2 to the second row. Therefore R3 changes R3 minus 2 R2. What I told you last time, to make the 0 here you will have to take second row and third row. Okay, so R3 changes R3 minus 2 R2. So here is 1, 2 and 3, 0, minus 5 and minus 10, 0 here 0, then R3 is, here is I think minus 10, yes, here is minus 10 and this minus sign, minus minus plus, 2 5s are 10, minus 10 plus 10, here is 0, then here minus 15 and here is minus 10 into 2, minus 20, minus minus plus, okay, minus minus plus 20, minus 15 plus 20, it is plus 5. X, Y, Z is equal to, here is 45 as it is, minus 120 as it is. Then R3 means minus 200 minus 2 R2 minus minus plus 2 into 120, that is 240. So plus 240 minus 200 plus 40. So you get here plus 40. Therefore multiply these two matrices, 1 into x plus 2 into y plus 2y plus 3z. Then 0 into x 0 minus 5 into y minus 5y minus 10z. Then second 0 0, so plus 5 into z. So plus 5z is equal to, here is 45 minus 120 and 40. Okay, next step is by equality of matrices. So therefore by equality of matrices we get what we get? We get x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 45, equation number 1. Then minus 5y minus 10z is equal to minus 120, equation number 2. And 5z is equal to 40. This is equation number, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. From equation 5, z is equal to 40 divided by 5. So 5 into 5, 5 is 40. So we get z is equal to 8. From equation, which one? 4. Equation 4. What is equation 4? Minus 5y minus 10z is equal to minus 120. Therefore minus 5y minus 10, replace z with 8 is equal to minus 120. Therefore minus 5y minus 10 into 8, 80 is equal to minus 120. Therefore minus 5y is equal to minus 120. Shift this minus 80 to right side, it is plus 80. Therefore minus 5y is equal to minus 40. So minus minus plus. So 5y is equal to 40, and therefore y is equal to 40 divided by 5. So y is equal to 5 8 is 40. So we get y is equal to 8. From equation 3, what is equation 3? X plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 45. Therefore x plus 2 into, what is the value of y? Y is here, y is equal to 8 plus 3 into, what is the value of z? 8 is equal to 45. So x plus 2 8s are 16 plus 3 8s are 24 is equal to 45. So x plus 16 plus 24, 40 is equal to 45. Therefore x is equal to 45 minus 40, plus 40 will be minus 40. So x is equal to 5. So we get x is equal to 5, y is equal to 8 and z is equal to 8 also. Therefore answer is the cost of one pencil is rupees, value of x is 5, so rupees 5. One pen is rupees 8 and one eraser is rupees Z. Sorry, that is 8. So this way we get the answer by using reduction method. Now we'll take fourth sum. If three numbers are added, their sum is 2. If 2 times the second number is subtracted from the sum of first and third number, we get 8. And if 3 times the first number is added to the sum of second and third number, we get 4. Find the numbers using matrices. So fourth sum, let the three numbers be, let the three numbers be x, y and z respectively. Okay, so by the given condition, therefore by the given conditions, what is first equation? Three numbers are added, their sum is 2. So x plus y plus z is equal to 2. Equation number 1. If 2 times the second number is subtracted from the sum of first and third number, we get 8. First and third number x plus z minus 2 times the second number, we get 8. Equation number 2. And third equation is 3 times the first number is added to the sum of second and third number, we get 4. 3 times of the first number is added plus y plus z, second and third number, we get 4. Equation number 3. So these are the three linear equations. Now convert these linear equations into matrix form. So first matrix is the coefficient matrix. So 1 1 1 1 1 1. Here is coefficient of x is 1 and coefficient of y should be taken here. So y is here, so its coefficient is minus 2. So take right here minus 2. Then coefficient of z 1. Then here coefficient of x, y and z. This is the coefficient matrix into variable matrix x, y, z is equal to constant matrix 2, 8 and 4. Now here is 1. So it is very easy to solve by reduction method. In reduction method, we make this matrix into upper triangular matrix. So here and here should be 0. So 1 minus 1, we get 0 here. So R2 changes R2 minus R1. R2 changes R2 minus R1, and here is 3. So 3 1s are 3. So R3 changes R3 minus 3R1. 3R1. Therefore, first row as it is 1 1 1. Then second row R2 changes R2 minus R1. So 1 minus 1 0. So minus 2 here and here 1 minus 1. So here is minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Then here 1 minus 1, it comes 0. And R3 changes R3 minus 3R1. So 3 minus 3 1s are 3. Here is 0. Then 1 minus 3 1s are 3. 1 minus 3. Here is minus 2. Next 1 minus, here is 1 minus 3 1s are 3. Here is also minus 2. So variable matrix x, y, z is equal to, here is 2. Then R2 minus R1, R2 minus R1, 8 minus 2, 6. Then 4, here is 4, minus 3 2s are 6, 4 minus 6, it comes minus 2. Then here should be 0. So which rows we should take? Second row and third row. So how to get here 0? Multiplying these two to the row 2 and 3 to the row 3. So R3 changes 3, this 3 to the R3 minus 2R2. So we get 1 1 1, and second row as it is, 0 minus 3 0, and 0 minus 0 as it is. 3 2 the, here is minus 6, and minus minus plus 2 3 the 6, here is 0. Then minus 2 into 3 into minus 2, here is minus 6, minus 2 into 0 0, so it comes minus 6, and here is x y z is equal to 2 6, and 3R3 means 3 into minus 2 minus 6, then minus 2 into 6 minus 12, so here is minus 18. The next step is multiplication of these two matrices. Therefore 1 into x, x plus 1 into y plus y plus 1 into z plus z. Then 0 into x 0, minus 3 into y minus 3 y plus 0 into z 0. Next 0 into x 0, 0 into y 0, minus 6 z is equal to 2 6 minus 18, and therefore by equality of matrices we get x plus y plus z is equal to 2. This is for second, third, fourth equation. Last time I made a mistake. I wrote here 3, but here should be 4. Then minus 3y is equal to 6, so fifth, and minus 6z is equal to minus 18, and here is 6. So from equation 6, z is equal to minus 18 divided by minus 6. Shift this minus 6 to this side, it is divided. 6 1 is 6, 6 3 is 18. Therefore z is equal to minus minus plus 3. So z is equal to 3. Then from equation fifth equation is minus 3y is equal to 6. Therefore y is equal to 6 divided by minus 3. Minus 3 divide 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. So we get y is equal to minus 2. And from equation 4, x plus y plus z is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to, as it is x, y is equal to minus 2. So here is minus 2, and z is equal to 3. So x plus minus minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 2. Therefore x minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 3, that is plus 1, is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 2 plus 1 will be minus 1. So x is equal to 2 minus 1, 1. So this way we get 3 numbers. X is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 2, and z is equal to 3. Therefore 3 numbers are, value of x is 1, value of y is minus 2 and 3 respectively. Now we will see word problem 5th. What is that? The total cost of 3 televisions and 2 VCR is rupees 35,000. The shopkeeper wants profit of rupees 1,000 per television and rupees 500 per VCR. He can sell 2 televisions and 1 VCR and he gets the total revenue as rupees 21,500. Find the cost and selling price of a television and a VCR. Now first of all, let's cost price of one television be rupees X and one VCR be rupees Y. Next, therefore, by the first condition, what is the first condition? The total cost of 3 televisions and 2 VCR is rupees 35,000. 3 television means 3x plus 2y is equal to 35,000. So we get equation 1. And second condition, by the second condition, what is the second condition? The shopkeeper wants profit of 1,000 per television and rupees 500 per VCR. So he can sell 2 televisions and 1 VCR. So 2 television and 1 VCR, how much profit he will get? So I will first find profit. So profit is equal to 2 televisions into profit on television rupees 1,000. So multiply by 1,000 plus 1 VCR and profit is 500. So total profit 2 into 1,000, 2,000 plus 500. So he gets or he wants profit rupees 2,500. Okay. So selling price is given and that is 21,500 and we have to find the cost price. In the equation we have to write the cost price. Okay. So how to get the cost price? The cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. Selling price is 21,500 minus profit is 2,500. So 0, 0, 5 minus 0, 0, 21 minus 2, 19,000. So he gets the cost price of 2 televisions and 1 VCR is 19,000. So we get the second equation. So this is the cost price of 2 television means 2x plus y is equal to 19,000. So we get the second equation. Now we'll convert these two equations into matrix form. So first matrix is the coefficient matrix. I will write these two equations combined. Therefore from 1 and 2 we get first equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 35,000 and second equation 2x plus y is equal to 19,000. Now I will convert this equation into matrix form. Therefore first matrix is the coefficient matrix 3, 2, then 2, 1 and variables are x and y. Is equal to constant matrix 35,000 and 19,000. Okay, so convert this matrix into upper triangular matrix. So this is the main diagonal. So here should be 0. So this second row there is a 2 and first row there is 3. So multiplying second row by 3 and first row by 2. So R2 changes 3R2 minus 2R1. So we get 3, 2 as it is and 3 2s are 6 and 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 6 here is 0. here is 3 into 1 3, this minus sign, 2 into 2 4, 3 minus 4 minus 1 into x y, here is 35,000, then 3 R2 means 3 into 19,000, 19 3s are 57,000, this minus sign, and 2 into R1, so 2 into 35, 70, so it is 70,000. So 57,000 minus 70,000, what we get? We get 13,000, so minus 13,000. Okay. Then multiplication of these two matrices, 3 into x, 3x plus 2y, and then 0 into x, 0 minus 1y is equal to 35,000 and minus 13,000. So therefore, by equality of matrices, we get 3x plus 2y is equal to 35,000. This is equation number 3. And minus y is equal to minus 30,000. This is equation number 4. Therefore, from 4 we get y is equal to minus minus plus y is equal to 13,000, and from 3 write the equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 35,000, then 3x plus, replace these 2 into y with 13,000 is equal to 35,000. Therefore, 3x plus 2 into 13, 26,000 is equal to 35,000. Therefore, 3x is equal to 35,000 minus 26,000. Therefore, 3x is equal to 35 minus 26, it is 9,000. And therefore, x is equal to 9,000 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9, 0, 0, 0. Therefore, x is equal to 3,000. Therefore, we get first cost price of one television is rupees 3,000 and one VCR is rupees, what is the value of 13,000. And selling price, how to get selling price? So shopkeeper wants 1,000 rupees profit on television. So selling price is 3,000 plus 1,000, 4,000. Therefore, selling price of one television is increased by this 3,000 by 1,000, that is 4,000, and one VCR is rupees 13,000. So 13,000 plus 500, 13,500. So this is the answer.